Oh well. So great, we've got so much rain here that it's too much water actually. That's why the leaves are turning that color and curling up. Got this LED thing, it's pretty sweet, lights up at night. The grass overtook that area, but my God, look how good those green pea plants are doing. That's amazing. I'm trying to look into some homemade grass killer to where maybe, I can spray the grass with a piece of cardboard and then it'll kill the grass but not the peas, because it's really taking over my area. I don't mind it so much around the tomatoes because it'll grow and the tomatoes grow bigger than the grass and it's fine. But like the jalapenos and the bell peppers, it's starting to encroach on them pretty good. And then there's my sunflowers. That's a 4th year growing from those seeds just repeatedly. Grass. There's my perennials mixed in with the corn. I didn't know the perennials were good grows. I threw corn and perennials and they both grew. The next year this will strictly be more perennials. I'll just keep adding more and more perennials. Potatoes are doing good. Real good actually. I need to put a chair out here. Bird feeders are doing excellent, and so I hear all the birds singing. Eggplant needs water. We're supposed to get rain. Hopefully that'll quench his thirst. Oh, look at that. My apple tree I bought from Walmart had cedar apple rust. And the bush is doing great down there at the end. I'll show you him. He's doing great. But he's got cedar apple rust. They say the leaves will fall off and the tree will grow back. That tree there I thought was dead. But look, he's coming back, so plant him in the fall. Maybe next spring. Probably actually next spring. He should still be, they're getting enough size he can wait till next spring. I'm gonna feed him, put him over there in that corner where that stake is. You can see supposedly these leaves will all fall off and they'll grow new foliage. I guess cedar trees carry this bacteria naturally. It spreads to apple trees. So Walmart must have put the apple trees next to the cedars and it cross-contaminated. So that tree there I thought was dead. It died a lot faster than that one, so hopefully he'll come back. Alrighty.